Jose, how much was that a drama befitting Lord Attenborough? He'd have loved it, wouldn't he?
Oh yes, oh yes. I had the pleasure to meet him a few times in my first spell at the club in 2004, and it was easy for me to feel and to identify his passion for his blues. So for sure, today where he is, he's laughing.
Well, you were smiling at some moments and despairing at others. It was a strange, wonderful game of football.
Yeah, wonderful for everyone at the stadium, for everyone watching TV around the world. Not for me, because we cannot make so many defensive mistakes. We want to improve as a team by keeping our defensive quality and strength and balance, and by improving in other areas. Today we show that we are improving in other areas, but we are not keeping our balance and our solidity in defense. So we have to find that balance and improve.
Improving in areas. Cesc Fabregas, exquisite at times, and Diego Costa up front. What a cutting edge he's given you.
With the ball and in possession, in transition, in counter-attack, in controlling the game by having the ball, the team was fantastic. They improved the team a lot, but the team is feeling very comfortable. The team likes to have the ball, enjoys the ball. So that's very, very important. But at the same time, we need to keep our defensive balance and don't commit mistakes. If I tell you that Wednesday afternoon we spend 1.5 hours training defensive corners and defensive lateral free kicks, and we arrive here today and we can see the goal in a lateral free kick, you don't believe. But the reality is that we train 1.5 hours. So I cannot be happy with that ridiculous goal that we concede.
Offensively, though, is it a mark of a Jose Mourinho side that you're now pressing higher, quicker, right from the start? You tune up in 3 minutes.
Football depends on the qualities of the players. If somebody says that I have this philosophy and I play with this philosophy in every club I coach, it's not true. It depends on the players you have. You play a certain style of football. In this moment with Diego and Cesc in the team, we brought some qualities that we didn't have before, and we can try to build the team in a certain direction which is different than we did in the past.
Loic Remy, we believe, is on the way to Chelsea. What sort of qualities can he add to the squad then if it all goes through?
I don't want to speak about him before I have the confirmation that he's our player. I told the club that in match day I don't want to think about anything else than the game, and I ask my people to don't make contact with me till the end of the game. So now in the buzz I will have news, and if he is our player, the next time we see each other